Hi there. Today I'm going to take you through how to set up a classroom using Google Classroom. So first thing I did to get to this spot is I signed into my Google account. I went to my 9Square and I looked for Google Classroom. And as you can see, it doesn't show up right away on this one. So I just scrolled down and it's under my More section here. So you get to Google Classroom page and you have a plus button up top where you can either join a class if you're a student or if you're adding in for a professional development section, or you can create your own class. So I'm going to click and I'm going to click Create Class. And I'm going to call my class Google Training. I could add in a section here if I'd like fifth hour, first period, and I could add in a subject here, math, science, what have you. I'm going to click Create. Always takes a little second here to get it going. And now it opens me right up to, well, it defaults here with my image and my basic setup for what is going to be my Google Classroom. So just talking through a few things here. Up top, you see Stream, and this is where you will see all of your announcements, assignments, everything that you post will be on the stream. Students, this will allow you to look at all of the students who end up joining your class. And you can have them join one or two ways. You can invite students and type in their emails individually, or you can just give them a class code, and then that's what they would enter back on the initial Google Classroom page where they could click Join Class. Honestly, this way is a lot easier. It's just to pass out the code. That way they can sign up. The Actions button here isn't highlighted because I don't have any students joined yet, but when I do, the Actions button allows you to send out a mass email to everyone, to adjust who's in your classroom or not, and you can also add guardians for some of your students if parents would like to be able to access your Google Classroom. The last one is the About page, and this is a really good place to add your syllabus, your calendar link, whatever it is that you would like to add on the About page works really well. So back to the stream side, and right here, the plus button is probably the most important spot for when you're working with Google Classroom. With the plus button, this allows you to post your announcements, your assignment, create a question, or to reuse a post. Now, from the teaching side of things, if I just need to send out a link and I want everyone to have access to it, I'm going to create an announcement. If I want to create an assignment, this is usually when I want to send out a template to everybody, or I want a specific spot where everyone's going to turn in their work. That way I can grade it, I can see it all right there. And then the Create Question works really well if you're doing a quick check for information and understanding. So I am going to start by creating an assignment. And with this one, I would say post to all students, or I could send it out to just one or two kids. This works really well for differentiating. My title will be my welcome survey. Instructions, I could type in here what I would like everyone to do. I can put in a due date. Let's say I want to do tomorrow. And I could add a specific topic if I'd like. And then there's options down here for how you want to add things into your assignment. If I wanted to attach a file, if I wanted to add something directly from Google Drive, insert a YouTube video, or attach a link. Then when I'm all done, I would click Assign, or I could click Schedule, and this one's really cool. It allows you to set a specific time for it to just show up automatically in your feed later, or you can use Save Draft. For right now, I'm going to go ahead and just click Assign, even though I don't really have anything assigned. That way you can see what it looks like when it shows up in the feed. So here we go. We have our first post. Students would open this up and they would see it here that they have an assignment and they'd be good to go. All right, up next, I will continue talking about some more of the different items that you could do with Google Classroom, but I hope this gave you a good starter.